Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Wysa app. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store on your phone. Once you do that, go ahead and look for search icon or the search bar on your screen. Now type in Wysa and select search. Now it's gonna suggest you a bunch of apps that's related to Wysa. You're gonna have to select the Wysa mental health support from the screen. Now, right beside the icon, you're gonna see one of these four options: install, get, download or backup. Select one of those options, then provide the necessary information asked by the app, and the phone will start downloading the app automatically. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.